The truth is, you cannot survive if you try to survive. There is a question: how not to survive but grow? It's just mindset. The truth is, it's simple. The truth is, you cannot survive if you try to survive. If you want to have $5 and you need to have some quote, some goal much bigger, because it's a real life. Not everything works the same way what we want it to work. And this is why even to survive, just to survive, we need to have bigger goals to grow. And this is my approach. For example, right now, my company, we don't try to survive. We try to expand. I cannot tell you, I cannot promise that we will be very successful in this, but I know by my guts, and I suggest you to have the same perspective. If your, if you aim higher, you survive. If you try to keep some certain level and to repeat your previous success, it doesn't work. It's impossible because circumstances change. This world is a different world now. And this is why there is only one real strategy. So you don't really have an option. You don't have this option to survive or to grow. No, if you try to survive, you fail. And this is why there is only one option. You have to grow. You have to think how to grow. You have to think about your expansion, bigger goals, and maybe you will survive. No promises.